everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the theme that we got from underscore. This is a very simple boilerplate WordPress theme. So it basically came with all these files that you can see over here. I have just simply opened the file, opened the theme in Visual Studio Code. I simply dragged and dropped the folder. So this is the style.css. This part you already know. So if you remember from my last video, I have entered some key information that asked me what is the theme name, and I wrote simple. And the theme URI is basically, this is the official website of underscore. So the theme URI came like this, and the author is myself. So this is me, and the author URI, this I wrote this as well. The description came from my site as well, and the version number is something that they gave. So every time I change something, and if I wanna do some more upgrades and make some additional functionality, then I can just change this into 2.0.0 or maybe 1.0.1 or something like that. The license is something that you already know. This is this. The license URI is this, and the theme text domain is simple. So one thing that you can see for yourself, the theme name is simple, and the directory name is simple, and the theme text domain is simple as well. So it needs to be the same thing, and there are a couple tags here that you can see. So I have already shown you guys that you can actually go to wordpress.org, and if you search for theme tags, then you can get a lot of tags from the WordPress dashboard, and you can choose some of those. So here it says that it offers custom background, custom logo, custom menu. Then it has featured images, threads, threaded comments, and translation ready. So these are the features that it offers, and these are the tags as well. So there are a couple comments here as well that you can see. And one thing that you can notice that it has a index.php file, the functions.php file, and it has style.css. So initially I told you guys that a theme should at least have these three files: index.php, functions.php, and style.css in order to run, because it will show a very minimum portion if it has these things. But I will move into these other files as well, and I will talk about those, and I will talk about these files and the codes within it. So basically what I'll do a thorough research of the theme that we got from the underscore. One thing that you can do is, whenever you get some code, some WordPress code or some PHP code, that you should go through those codes, because if you just look at other people's code, you will still learn. Even though you are not writing any code by yourself, you are just looking at other people's code, still you are gaining knowledge. And whenever you are seeing this, you are actually having this in your mind that, okay, it works like that. If I give line height 1.15, it works like that. So this is one of the things that I tell everyone around me who is working in the programming sector. So everything, it's not about just your code, it's also about looking other people's code, how they are working, how they are fixing some problem, and what you can do from that. If you look at other people's code, then you can eventually gain some knowledge as well, that you can eventually help in your own betterment, in your own development process. So that helps a lot. So basically, whenever you are going through any theme that interests you, and you are wondering how a specific section was made, just look into their code, and it will really boost up your confidence. And once you have a knowledge, then you can actually implement that in your workspace as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it that I wanted to talk about in this video. So next couple of videos will be just this theme, analyzing the codes, how it's working, and what is uh, meaning what. So basically it will be just I won't be writing any code. I'll just be just showing you the codes in this WordPress theme and how they are working. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.